Good morning, Year 9, or good afternoon. Today we're going to carry on with finding the gradient. Looking at find the gradient of an interview. Today we're going to plot the 2 points on the Cartesian plane first, join them to form an interval, and then we're doing all of those things that we did yesterday after that. So this is what we're doing on our learning intention poster, you might say, for today. So let's get into it. So what we're going to do different from yesterday is we're going to plot the 2 points first. So having a look at this, my question says to use a graph to find the gradient m of the line joining the given points. So I was given 2 points, A and B, and I should have put A and B on my bit of paper. I will. So we were plotting A is 3, 4, so come across to 3, up to 4, there's A. Plotting B, 5, 6, come across 5, up to 6, there's our B there. The next thing we needed to do was to construct a right-angled triangle underneath it, and we said drop down vertically from the top point, come across horizontally from the bottom point, make a right-angled triangle. Then just count how many points we go across. There's 2 there. How many points we go up to there. So m, our gradient, is just those 2 numbers on them. It is rise on the run, but it's our y on our x, which is 2 on 2. That simplifies to 1. Then what we're going to do is we're going to check the direction of our gradient. So going up that way is positive, and so we can see that this one is positive. Our answer is simply gradient m is equal to 1. Let's have a look at our second example. Our second example is asking us to plot points A minus 3, 6, B 1 minus 3. So if I plot those two, I've got A minus 3, 6. So minus 3 across that way to the left to get to a minus 3, and then up 6. And that is my point A there, minus 3, 6. B, 1 minus 3. So come across from the origin, start at the origin every time. Should have summed that up here as well. Start at the origin every time, go across 1, go down 3. There's my point B there. Then what I need to do is come down from A, come across from B to where they join, and then count my nums. So I've got 3 to there, and then 6. I've got 9, and on this other one I have got 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 4. So my y is 9, my x is 4, m is rise on run, 9 over 4, which I could have simplified up there, but anyway, check my sign. Now my sloping down, my sign's negative. So m is minus 9 on 4, which we should give as either 2 1/4. Again, put that in your calculator as a fraction first. 9 ABC button, whatever, over 4. Then push your equal buttons on your calculator. It should look at you like this: 2R1 R4, which is 2 1/4. Or you can then push that, if you push that A, B, C button again, it'll change it to a decimal for you, 2.25, so negative 2.25. Okay, so that's pretty much all we need to do. Have a look at these problems. For all of these, just graph the points first like I have, draw your line, do your triangle, and then answer them. So I think it's plenty for most of you to do 6 questions. Those of you who want to push yourself, come over here and see how you go at answering these worded questions. Now I have in the news feed, I have for your class I have put in some graphs. If I just go there. So down here, there's grid paper, etc. If you want to, if you haven't got anything at home, you could hopefully open one of those up and then print them out, give yourself something to graph on, and then cut them out and paste them in your book. There's a couple other ones there as well. Okay, have a great day. Send me an email if you've got any questions.